Iran's massive missile and drone assault on Israel in 2025 marked a turning point in modern warfare and a serious test for Israel's legendary missile defense system. Over 400 ballistic missiles, hundreds of drones, and a new generation of hypersonic threats. The question on everyone's mind, did the Iron Dome hold the line? Iran's strategy was clear: overwhelm Israel's layered defenses through sheer volume. It launched hundreds of ballistic missiles and cruise missiles alongside swarms of drones, creating a chaotic battlefield in the skies above Israel. This was not just an attack, it was a stress test of some of the world's most advanced defense systems. Iran's arsenal has evolved significantly. In this assault, it deployed a mix of powerful and sophisticated weapons. Ballistic missiles: the Shahab 3 with a range of 2000 kilometers, the Imad, a more precise maneuverable variant, the Khyber Shikan, a fast launch evasive missile, and most notably the Fatah 1, a hypersonic missile capable of speeds up to Mach 30. These weapons are built to maneuver mid flight and even outside the Earth's atmosphere, making interception incredibly difficult. Cruise missiles like the Sumar and Ya Ali flew low and fast, slipping under radar coverage. And then came the drones. The Shahed 136, a GPS guided kamikaze drone, was launched in waves, designed not just to strike but to confuse. Iran used these drones as decoys. By flooding the sky, they triggered Iron Dome responses, draining interception resources and opening gaps for missiles to pass through. More advanced drones like the Mohajer 6 and Ababil series carried out surveillance and guided attacks in real time. The Iron Dome has been a symbol of Israel's defense resilience, especially against short range rockets from Gaza. But against this multi pronged long range assault, it wasn't enough on its own. Israel's defense networks include Iron Dome for short range threats, David's Sling for medium range missiles, Arrow systems for long range and exo-atmospheric threats, and still, some Iranian missiles got through. Despite high interception rates, Iranian missiles struck major cities including Tel Aviv and Petah Tikva. There were civilian casualties and infrastructure was damaged. The sheer volume and speed of incoming threats outpaced the response capacity even of one of the most advanced air defense grids in the world. Hypersonic missiles like the Fatah 1 represent the next evolution in missile warfare. They move faster than Mach 13, can change direction mid flight, and fly both inside and outside the atmosphere. Current defense systems weren't designed for this. Reaction times are slashed. Interception becomes a game of chance and precision. Iran's attack was about more than just the damage. It was about showing the world that even the most advanced systems can be overwhelmed. And for Israel, it was a wake up call. The battle system between offense and defense is entering a new phase, one shaped by drone swarms, hypersonic missiles, and AI guided threats. This attack may be over, but the lessons are just beginning. As Iran and Israel brace for what's next, one thing is clear. In modern warfare, no defense is impenetrable, and the skies over the Middle East are now witnessing the full scale of missile and drone warfare. Thanks for watching.